We're all seeing the impact of AI in the hiring process. It's everywhere. Candidates are using it to help them get hired, and increasingly, TA teams are using it to lighten their admin workloads. From sourcing to scheduling and creating compelling brand content, that potential for this new tech is really exciting. But with that power comes a new responsibility, making sure we use AI ethically. So, what does that actually mean, though? Let's start with fairness. AI can help you reduce bias, but only if it's built in and monitored with that goal in mind. If your data set is skewed, your outcomes will be too. If the algorithm learns from biased historical data, it will repeat those patterns, but faster and at scale. That's why ethical recruitment isn't just about using AI, it's about constantly asking, what assumptions is this tool making? Who might it be excluding? What impact is it having, and how do we check? Next, transparency. Candidates should know when AI is part of the process. Was their CV screened by a tool? Did a chatbot respond to their query? Were they scored by a model before speaking to a human? Hiding this information creates mistrust, and your team needs clarity too. If you're using AI to help make decisions, make sure people know where human judgment needs to take over, which leads to the third piece, accountability. AI should never make the final call on who gets hired. It can support, filter, and suggest, but people must remain responsible for their decisions. Humans need to balance trust, nuance, and context to make decisions like this. That's why your team excels at the human touch. AI is far from perfect, though. It can help when used intentionally, but needs to be balanced with checking the tools, asking hard questions, and keeping humans in the loop. Around 10% of TA teams told us they're planning to implement AI in their recruitment process this year. If you're thinking about using AI, here's a quick checklist to guide your team. What are the clear activities that AI can support with to remove admin burden, to free up your team to focus on strategic value add? Is the tool trained on diverse representative data? Can you explain how it works in plain language? Do candidates know AI is being used and where? Is there a clear point where a human steps in? Are you regularly reviewing outcomes for bias or unintended consequences? The goal isn't to slow down innovation, it's to make sure we're using new tools responsibly.